Lisa here with MarineMax, and I'm aboard the Aquila 32 with brand manager Harry Mountain. And I have heard this boat does some amazing things. Tell me more.
So it really does. So we're on the very cool 32 aft submersible platform.
Okay.
See how it wraps around behind the actual engines? So it gives us this whole area to hang out and enjoy behind the engines. It's actually about 2 extra additional feet. So what's a really cool feature is the fact that this platform goes all the way down to the water and also below the water. So as you can see, we're going down now, nice and smoothly. And what you're going to notice is as we start going down towards the water, these steps are going to also start ascending down with the platform. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go just sort of to the water and stop. Sarah, that's great, stop right there. So as you can see now, when you come up out of the water, and you can go nice and easily up to the boat through these stairs. And there is a boarding ladder here as well that also comes out. Now we've stopped it right at the water level here, but in fact it does go about 6 inches below the water.
Wow, so great place to put on your dive gear and all that great stuff.
So also you've got a ladder that actually comes out at the back of the platform here and drops down. So again, really easy access getting on and off the platform.
Wow, what a great feature. If you are interested in more information, visit MarineMax.com or AquilaBoats.com.